To make Noob Avatar, you have to go to your preferred browser and open Roblox. And in this left-hand menu, click on Avatar. And it will jump into your Avatar editor page. In here, you have to unequip everything, including all accessories. So go ahead and unequip all of them. Once you removed everything, you get this kind of avatar. Now all you have to need, go to body and go to skin tone. In here, click on advanced. Now in this left-hand menu, we have to select all, and then we have to select this yellow color. And then select torso, and for torso we will select this blue color, and then we will select left leg, and for left leg we'll select this color, and select right leg and select the same color. After that, click on done, and here we can see I've successfully created a noob avatar. Thanks for watching.